Ministry of Health of Ukraine. Krok 2. Medicine. Year 2019, number 186. Increased general morbidity of the local population is observed in the area near a factory, where the atmosphere is being intensively polluted with sulfurous gas. What effect does polluted air have on the human body in this case? A. Chronic specific. B. Chronic nonspecific. C. Acute nonspecific. D. Acute specific. E. Selective. Sulfurous gas, sulfur dioxide, SO2, irritates the skin and mucous membranes of the eyes, nose, throat, and lungs. High concentrations of SO2 can cause inflammation and irritation of the respiratory system, especially during heavy physical activity. Nonspecific responses that alter the intracellular environment include fever, inflammation, and interferon. The question says, increased general morbidity of the local population is observed. Increased means the situation compared to the one in the past, so a certain period of time has passed. Therefore, chronic general morbidity means the local population gets signs and symptoms such as fever, inflammation, or irritation, therefore nonspecific. The answer is B. Chronic nonspecific.